Hey guys, welcome back to Inchworm Gardens. It's been a rainy day, rainy couple days. Just gonna take a quick tour around the garden, see how everything looks. And as you can see behind me, we have a retention pond backed up to our property, so when it rains heavily, you get a nice little river flowing through here. All right, so follow me to the garden. All right, so rain of course is good for a garden, but when you get into this heavy rain, it can be a little destructive because the plants, they just get loaded with water and they'll fall down. As you can see, like that borage over there, just totally bent over. This dill's kind of leaning. I mean, watch, I'm gonna give this a shake. You can see how much water just falls out of there, see? That's all just being held onto the leaves, so can't imagine the plants like that too much. Yep, same with this cilantro, which is just going to seed. In case you didn't know, cilantro, once it starts turning to seed, turns into coriander. So you can save these pods and use them as a seasoning. But again, just loaded with water, so it's bent over like that. Our bachelor buttons, we're feeling it as well. The roselle, got a couple corn stalks leaning over. But garden looks great, it's lush. Oh, hello there. What do you think about this, baby girl?
You say hi to Daddy? Yeah, babe. I love you.
Beautiful Mexican sunflower blooming. Got a nice tall sunflower up here. Starting to open.
Wiggle it. Wiggle. 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 Wiggle.
Quinoa. Again, just kind of loaded with water. Beautiful zinnia. Alright, not too bad. Heavy rains, heavy winds. I think we're doing okay. Alright guys, thanks for watching that quick video. Catch you on the next one.